They get so close to getting off the porch. This one is. He or she keeps going back and forth. Then he'll go to the ceiling fan. Then they'll go back over there. I guess they're getting tired now. Yeah, we're having yard sale, another yard sale today. And we sit on the screen porch. And as I went to show somebody something on the inside of the house, and we left the screen door open. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We left this screen door open. And guess what? Two birds got in because there's a bird nest close by. And now they're back there behind this cabinet. Oh no, they're up there where the plants are. Can you see them? I tried to scare them off the porch, but that just made it worse. So I'm not going to try to bother them. I'm going to let them find their way off because their way off the porch is all the way back over here. And they keep going towards the screen because it looks like an opening to them, you know. And they keep running up against a screen. And it's like, wait a minute, I know I can get off of here. I think they're going to get close. They're getting close. They're getting close to the exit. Oh, come on. Maybe I have to show y'all. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we have the television out here, looking at some antenna television and all that. Or Me TV One. Which channel are you on, Sam?
Get TV.
Get TV, okay. And you can look at that kind of stuff with an antenna. Come on, come on. Come on. I can't believe they cannot see this. They're door. Babies. I know a lot of people gonna have something to say. So far, guys, we have not gotten these buddies off of here. I guess they're a set of twins. One's right there. There's the other one. We're just going to leave the door open for them. Like people leave the light on, I'm going to leave the door open for them. Uh-oh, I'm upside down, y'all. All right. The birds never left, guys, so therefore I am gone. I'm not going to bother them with the broom anymore. Y'all going to have me looking like I'm a bad person. I'm just trying to help them get back to their nest or whatever. I know they're babies. They're small. They're not adult birds. And I'm thinking that they got on through the door opening. I know they did. All right, boo. Y'all take it easy. See you in a few. I really appreciate you guys for coming by. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because this is Bernie Randomness, okay? All the random stuff on this channel. I do a little bit of this, do a little bit of that, cooking, all that you're going to see on this channel. And I do hauls and all of that stuff. So I'm going to help you save money, help you get your food together, help you get your face and hair together. Come on. Come on back. Come on back. I am a family-friendly channel. And today I'm doing a yard sale. So I'm finishing up this yard sale. I just sold some furniture and I feel good. So I need you to come back so I can show you what I do to get me a little cash flow going for me and my family. Okay?